Okay, so what are you saying, people, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. So today, guys, something a little bit different. Day in the life of a Forex trader. For I'll switch it up a little bit, show you guys that behind the scenes. It is currently Monday the 28th of November, 8:55 in the morning. There's a few pairs I'm looking at, around 4 or 5 pairs I'm looking at. I'll share it to you guys in a second, my analysis and what I'm looking at for today. But again, as more of an intra-week swing trader, it's not necessarily I find trades every day and I'm in and out of the trade within the same day. So I think I'll give you guys a recap at the end of the week of how the trading week goes. But I'll show you guys right now what I'm looking at today. Okay guys, so welcome to the chart. So as you can see, I've got Euro Pound on my screen here on the H4 time frame. Like I said, I'm just going to walk you through quickly a few pairs I'm looking at this week to trade. So Euro Pound is definitely one of them. Right now the market is pushing to the upside quite strongly from a very key level of support. I'm looking to sell Euro Pound, so I'm actually hoping that we continue this push into either this level or that level, and from one of those two levels I'll be looking at sells for another push right back down to that same level. The market here is consistently making some lower highs. We did fake that high there a little bit, so I'm looking at another push up, another push right back down again for Euro Pound. So looking at sales from either 0.866 or 0.87 back down to 0.858. Pound AUD, I'm looking at longs, although we have kind of gapped to the upside. I was looking for the market to come back down and retest this level, form a higher low and then push bullish, but we kind of opened up the week, gap to the upside, and the market's really trading pretty close to the level I was looking for price to come into and have as my target for the week. I do think potentially if we break through this, we'll probably come into those highs. So I might look for a short-term buy above this level here into that wick high there. So that is an opportunity I'm looking for, or we retrace back down again. Either which way, I'm still looking for buys on Pound AUD. I'm also looking at Euro JPY for sales. We just had a really nice break to the downside, which is what I'd be looking for. For Euro JPY, I've got a really key level here, resistance. Actually, I can just drag it across a little bit more, resistance there as well. Resistance, key support, key support. The market's finally broken through. We've got a lot of these consistent lower highs the market's been printing. Even that one there as well, consistent low highs, finally broken through. Now I'm looking for us to hold this resistance, for us to have a break to the downside. And I'm looking at targets with this wick here as the target, and also this key level down there as a target. So Euro JPY potentially might get a trade later today, potentially on the retest of this level of 144. Maybe tomorrow, we'll have to see. But like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. USD CAD, I was looking at sales on the retest of this level. However, again, gapped open and broke through the level quite easily. So right now for me, USD CAD, kind of no man's land. I'm not looking to do anything in this area. See if we break above this, I'll change my bias to bullish, looking for buys into that prior high, or we get back underneath this level and I'll start looking for sales back down to 1.32. So that's what I'm looking at for USD CAD. Sells below 1.339 and buys above 1.35300. Right now, kind of in no man's land anyway for me. Some guys might want to be trading this, but at the moment, no man's land there for me on USD CAD. And Pound CHF is coming into a nice level as well, so potentially could get a buy on Pound CHF later today. We will see. But Pound CHF recently has been a huge downtrend, but recently we have kind of shifted from that big bearish bias to potentially a reversal. We've seen this high, higher low, high, higher low. Market just crept above this key level here, resistance, broken through some 4H structure here to the downside, as you can see. So I'm looking for us to return back to those highs for potentially the new higher low, back to the highs and maybe a new higher high. So if Pound CHF can hold this level here, I'm looking at going long for a move back up again. Again, I may not hold it all the way back to highs, but we will see. But yeah, those are the pairs I'm looking at. We'll see if we get any opportunities. They all look good. So hopefully we'll get 1 or 2 trades at least this week. And I'll let you guys know how I get on. Okay, so quick office tour whilst we're at it. So as you can see, quick little overview there. Do a nice little pan. Hope you guys can see. So yeah, we've got two screens there. First of all, nice desk, nice kind of like L-shaped desk. 2 screens, one on the left, one on the right. This is where the trading and the YouTubing gets done. Mainly one on the left for trading, one on the right for editing videos. We've got the tripod over there as well for the camera. Big light, very, very blinding. Couple of lights in the background to add some nice effect there. Obviously got the standard water, which you see me drinking all the time during streams.
Nice little plant there, a few greens there for the health and that. Microphone, notepad, personal business phone, tissues, another plant, another lamp, window, bit of background for the videos as well, a few books there. If anyone's looking for any book recommendations, I do suggest you go read Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself by Dr. Joe Dispenza. Really good book. Probably going to read it a second time actually. That's just how good it is, and I normally don't do that, so yeah, go check it out. But yeah, that's the office tour. Obviously you got a nice little chair, the desktop underneath with a bunch of wires. Not very, I mean, it's very, very messy, so not going to go into that too much. But yeah, that's the overview of the office, guys. If you want a little bit more detailed tour, let us know in the comments. But yeah, that's the office.
Okay guys, so it's currently 10:27 a.m. and nothing yet has materialized in the market. Still looking at the same setups, but I'll let you guys know if I do get anything. Currently working on back testing a particular element of my strategy to see if I can increase my win rate a little bit. So I'm going to get to that now, and then after that I'll head into London, change of scenery, work at a cafe, grab some food as well, and I'll let you guys know how it gets on. Okay people, so it's currently 9:41 p.m. I've made it home. I did actually make it home about 2-3 hours ago, but I thought I'd give you guys a quick update on how the trading day has gone. And it's going to be a quick update because I haven't actually managed to place any trades. Like I said, I'll give you guys an update at the end of the week, so on Friday, to let you know how the trading week has gone, because I'm more of an intra-week trader more than an intraday, so I don't take trades every day. Today just happened to be a day that I didn't take a trade. So yeah, I didn't get anything in the market. You can see I do have pound CHF on my screen there. I was looking to go long on this one, and the retest of that level, nice key level going through the market there. So I was looking to go long for a move back to these highs, but it looks like the market is breaking back underneath that level. So if that's the case, I'll actually look for the retest to go short back down into this low, maybe even this support here as well. So didn't manage to get any confirmations to go long. Market looks like it's breaking through. Might have to flip the bias with that one. Euro JPY was a little bit crazy today as well. I was looking to short on the break and retest of that level, like I was telling you guys earlier. Had a huge move to the upside, breaking above and then breaking back below. It's a bit of a fake move there, kind of whipsawing people back and forth there. It looks like we're coming back underneath the level, especially the daily candles will close back below. So hopefully tomorrow morning, or whenever really, London session, New York, we can throw some wicks back to the upside, and I'll look to go short back to this wick and then hopefully back down to this low eventually. And also Euro pound at nice, oh, can't see the screen there. There we go. Nice big move into that resistance there. Looking to sell on the double top. If I can get a second test of that again tomorrow, we'll be eyeing up some shorts, but we could still run it into the second level up there before going down as well. So being patient on that, but the shorts are looking good. before we move back down into that support. So still looking at the same opportunities, really nothing's materialized. It looks good for tomorrow or Wednesday, so I'll let you guys know how it gets on. But thank you so much for coming along with me on my day in the life. If you do enjoy this video or have some critics or critiques for me to improve, because this is always my first one, leave it down in the comments. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how the trading week gets on. Okay guys, so it's currently Friday the 2nd of December, and like I said, I was going to give you a quick overview on how the week went. I did manage to take 2 positions, one on pound AUD long and one on euro yen short. Pound AUD was a loss, euro yen was a win. I did manage to share both those trades in my Telegram, so feel free to go and take a look at the Telegram link in the description to that. But as you can see, this is the euro yen position. There's my stream with trader Nick, and there's pound AUD long, so feel free to go and check it out in the description if you want to. But quick overview, this is the euro yen trade here. Managed to catch a nice break and retest of that level for the shorts. I was originally looking to sell from this zone here, as I was showing you guys earlier in the week, but again, the market was just very messy. Wasn't really giving me any clear entries on the hourly, so I stayed patient, managed to get a nice break and retest of this low, nice clean break and retest, and again shorts into 141, which is into this low there that we're talking about. So yeah, nice trade with that one. Had to compromise, not the full risk reward that I wanted to get from that level up there, but still managed to catch the trade and take advantage of the analysis. However, pound AUD kind of faked me out there, probably entered the trade a little bit too early. Was looking for the retest, break and retest of that level. Did get a nice confirmation, but the market broke through and then rallied to looks like it's about to hit the target. So unfortunately lost with that one, a little bit annoying, but that's how life continues as a trader. Sometimes you catch them nicely, like the euro yen trade. Sometimes you will get caught out. Not every trade is going to be a home run, but overview, decent week. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, rinse and repeat going into the week ahead. If you have enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comments down below. If you like the different type of video, let me know in the comments if you want to see more of it as well. But thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one.